Welcome everyone to a video of Gears of War 3 doing a mutator called Big Explosions. All you do is go to verse mode. You can go to standard or private match. Go to team deathmatch. Go respawns allowed 35. Basically all I have to say, put both of these to the max. Then full bots, difficulty, casual, bleed out time 15, friendly fire off, and after use and host chooses. Then after you have all that, just start the game up. Now go to gridlock, weapon pickups, all boom shots, save and exit, and start the game. And make sure when you do this, make sure you be the first one to get the boom shot. Do not let your AI buddies or your AI opponents get it. Alright, sprint all the way over here. You can switch out whichever one you want, your retro lancer or your shotgun for this. I'd rather do my retro lancer and keep my shotgun because I love my shotgun. Come up here, grab this other one, kill these guys. Done right here. Look up this, wait until they spawn. Make sure you kill everyone. Make sure you kill some people so they can spawn, and just wait here until they come. Then when they spawn and they come, just shoot them. Get 100 Hail Marys. Once you get 100 Hail Marys, like this, you will unlock the big explosions. Just get 100 Hail Marys, and you'll get big explosion after that. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope rate, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, message me. Alright, thank you everyone.